This is a value add strategy, and I know that rents are going to be bumped up so that when they go to sell, the property is worth more because it creates a greater net operating income. Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I come all the way from Turkey. Michael and I have loved this adventure so far, and I want to tell you where we are today. So above me, you'll see the Kunus tombs of the king, and they date back all the way from the 4th century. If you can see some of these pictures popping up, it is amazing to see just what people can do in life. If you want to look up more about the ancient history here, I definitely suggest that you do. Well, what am I here to talk about with you today? So today I want to talk to you about one big hint about how you can tell if rent is too low at a multifamily property. And this is if the property is occupied at 100%. And you might think to yourself well, isn't that great? The property is at 100%. But the thing is that it's like that because similar properties in the same area, whether they have the same amenities, the rents are too low because of that. And so even if you just bump them up a little and bring your occupancy down to 99% or 98%, that just shows that you are then in line with market rent. And even a really, really, really great way to see if you are in line with that is that if you ask your property manager, if they aren't doing so already, to provide you with a market survey. What that market survey shows is the amenities that other properties have in the area that are like-kind to yours, what their rents are for each bedroom size, and just everything else that they offer so that you can decide if you are at a place where you need to bump up rents or not. Another thing is that when you are evaluating properties as a passive investor, when you're evaluating investment opportunities, that's another great feature that you can see. If they say, oh, it is at 100% occupancy, you can be cool, this is a value add strategy, and I know that rents are going to be bumped up so that when they go to sell, the property is worth more because it creates a greater net operating income. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Please make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get our videos. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!